Hello. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best benchtop drill presses to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Wen Drill Press. Wen's 8-inch variable speed drill press has a lot to offer and is the best benchtop drill press in its class. It's a solid machine that delivers variable speeds with induction motor. During testing, it operated smoothly with surprising torque from a relatively small drill press. Compared to other benchtop drill presses, it's well worth the price. Other things we liked about the Wen drill press is the precise locking depth gauge, the half-inch chuck, plus the onboard key storage for the chuck. If you've ever lost the only chuck you had, you'll appreciate this simple but useful feature. Wen's drill press stand is built on a sturdy cast iron base that doesn't wobble. It's a smooth machine that performs admirably. With a simple turn of the dial, you can adjust speeds quite easily and the digital LED reveals the current speed. The frame is solid with a cast iron base, table, and head. The standard warranty on the Wen is 2 years, which is pretty good for a small benchtop device. Features: includes chuck and onboard key storage. Operates at 5 different speeds. Durable induction motor develops ample torque and power. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Performance Tool Benchtop Drill Press. Here's another top pick for the best benchtop drill press with variable speeds, accuracy, and reliability that is sure to be more than an adequate benchtop drill press for most home shops and weekend warriors. This drill press has a tilting table that bevels from 0 to 45 degree left and right. Motor speed adjustments range from variable RPMs. This performance tool also features a half-inch key drill chuck which provides a solid grip on any type of drill bit with a shank of up to half an inch. There's also a bump-off switch for added security and quick shutdown. Performance Tool Benchtop Drill Press makes a solid choice for most home shops and scores a respectable customer reviews. It's a stable and accurate benchtop drill press. However, for most home shops, this benchtop drill press will certainly do the job. Features: ideal for shop and hobby use. Drills metal, plastic and wood. Cast iron construction, CSA approved. Coming up next. In third place we have the Shop Fox Benchtop Drill Press. Here's another benchtop drill press worthy of your consideration. It's the Shop Fox Drill Press. It's another winner, though it's priced a little higher than the others in the top 5. If you're buying on value alone or price alone, you may want to choose one of our other recommendations. But you might be doing yourself a disservice if you don't at least check out this beauty from Shop Fox. The slightly higher price comes with many significant upgrades. These seemingly small differences can make a big difference in capability, for specific jobs or in certain situations. This makes it a larger capacity and a more capable machine than smaller models. But it really depends on your own needs. If you do any woodwork, the oscillating spindle sander is an excellent addition to have along with a drill press. Overall, the Shop Fox is a robust, well-built benchtop machine with easy-to-operate controls and a strong, capable motor. Features: powerful motor, variable RPM speeds, excellent quality. Now moving to the number 4. Jet Drill Press. Jet Drill Press is another benchtop model built of cast iron to make it stable. It also has a large quilt that allows for greater accuracy. The head casting on the Jet features a lubricated ball bearing spindle assembly for accurate, smooth operations. The table tilts 45 degree and the large support column provides adequate support for both the head and table. It's a simple yet powerful drill press with a horsepower motor. As a benchtop model, the Jet is on the larger side of available tools and is similar to its bigger brother the Wen pedestal drill press. Once your drill press arrives, setup is simple and straightforward with the provided instructions. You'll soon see that the 3/4-inch horsepower motor provides plenty of power for any kind of drilling. Accuracy is maintained, with no noticeable run out. That's important and one of the key reasons you want to have a drill press in the first place. Features: variable speed, built-in work light, quick release crank. In the 5th position we have the Grizzly industrial benchtop drill. Ideally, the Grizzly benchtop drill press is a tool more suited to metalworking. If you are more into woodworking, then a lighter model press drill will be fine, such as the one listed above. This drill press is a fairly heavy machine for DIY use and will handle up to a 34-inch metal plate with ease. Built to last, this drill is relatively quiet, solid, and accurate. The tool has great drilling power with easily interchangeable belt speeds. This would suit any small workshop or DIY home workshop that works in metal or a variety of materials such as wood, metal and plastics. These machines are much more expensive, such as the industrial drill press, and are capable of drilling heavier metal plates. Features: precision ground cast iron table. Truly versatile. Table has lock levers. Thanks for being with the 5 best review throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best benchtop drill presses. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.